Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Friday the 18th of March 2022, Kingswood today. Not a great deal to find, but yeah. First thing I bought, it's another kite. I'd stopped buying kites. I've got so many of them, I've tried giving them away. I'll have to try a bit harder, I've got far too many. It just caught my eye that this might be fun. Large cobra kite with long tail. Just a single string one. Still in the original bag. So I should put that one straight in the back of the car. Oh, that's the tail. Yeah. I should put that one straight in the back of the car so we can give it a try sometime or other. Oh, that's some thick line on it. Gosh. Didn't expect that. How big is it? Yeah, not terribly big. What's that, about 2 feet across, something like that? Does it actually tell us? No, it doesn't. I wonder if that goes under there. Does it show us? Doesn't appear to be anywhere to fix it here. Looks to me like it should have another. Ah, right, okay. It's a broken kite. There should be another piece down here. Well, that's annoying. I would think that's the case, that there should be, yeah, there should be another piece going in there. I'll have to have a look through the bits and pieces that I've got, see if I've got anything that might fit. Ah, well, that is annoying. Some people who donate stuff to charity shops are really just taking the mick. Right, well, we'll have to look into that. Okay, a couple of other things. More wooden kits. Oh, I definitely haven't done that yacht. That looked quite nice. £1.99. Apache helicopter. I might actually have that one already. And there was a third one in the shop, which was that American motorcycle or Harley Davidson, which I didn't buy. Couldn't see much point in buying a third one of them. I'll just go and have a look. Well, I'll look in a minute, see if I've already got that in my current stock. And then the final thing, oh, fell on the floor. One of them wind up, clip together plastic kits. 49p. I can't remember whether I've done the panda or not. I've got the lion over in the bottom of the cupboard shelf over there. Definitely done the rhinoceros. Don't know if I've done the giraffe. Definitely done the elephant. I'll have to look through my playlist. But at 49p, I thought, well, even if I've done it already, I'm not too worried about that. Assuming the bit's in there. Yeah, that's all there is. That's it. So yeah, happy with that, 49p. Okay, that'll do. I'll go and have a look through my stock, see if I've already got the Apache, and I will have a look, see if I've got any carbon fibre rods to finish off that kite. Right, well, I was right, I've definitely already got the motorcycle, although the one in the shop was actually labelled American motorcycle rather than Harley Davidson. I think this is an earlier version, this one. And then I do already have the Apache, so I might donate that one back to another charity shop. I really don't need two of them. That one only cost me 99p. That was a good price. I don't think you can see it, it's very faint, but that is 99p. That one's £1.99. Anyway, that's that. The kite I'll look at separately. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.